Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Messages on your Android phone. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is start by going into Google Messages and then tap on your profile icon right here. And thereon, we're going to go to Messages setting. And in the Messages setting here, we're going to click on RC Chat and then turn off RC Chat. That's going to be the first step you want to do. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and exit out of the messaging app. And this time we're going to go to our settings on the phone by swiping up. And then we're going to go to apps. So let's look for apps. And then we're going to go ahead and choose a default app. Now for the default app, right, for our SMS app, we want to make sure that it's not on Google Messages, which is this one. You're going to switch to another messaging platform that you have. So here you can use Message Plus or Messages, which is the native for this Samsung one. But if you had Google Messages by default, you want to switch it out as well. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to do is now going back to the app setting, we're going to look for basically messages, the Google Messages itself. So it's going to be in the M section here. So let's go ahead and find that. So we'll find Google Messages here. In the Google Messages here, we're going to go ahead and force stop that. And then we're going to go ahead and disable that app so that it no longer is being utilized and it's disabled now completely. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.